Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil's Miss. Today I come with this viral math question, very tricky. But you have already solved this, then comment your right answer. I will give them heart. And those who fail, I will solve them for step by step. So watch the video completely. We will take help with PEMDAS. Okay. So according to PEMDAS, first priority will be given the parenthesis. So here parenthesis part is this. We will write question 60 divided by 5 into 2, 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3. As we know, division and multiplication have the same priority, and in that case we will solve from left to right. Okay, so we will do operation from left to right, and in that case we will solve first for this 60 divided by 5, which gives us result 12 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, now we will solve for this part. 12 into 2, that is equal to 24. Now for final answer we have to multiply 24 into 3, which gives you 72. Okay, so our answer will be 72. If you want more math question like, then subscribe our channel. Must check out best books in the description. Thanks for watching.